What is up, guys? Kobe the Challenger here, back with another video for the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing these SXT badges on my Dodge Challenger, so let's get into it. For this installation, I'm just using these badges, which has 3M tape on the back, using a tape measure to find out where I want to put it, and some tape if I just want to get an idea where I want to put it. That last video just didn't turn out too good. For some reason, the camera was upside down, so you didn't get to see what happened. So I'm going to show you what I did. First, I just wiped my car's fender off here. That way I have a clean surface to work with. There. And these little things were tricky because I tried to get it in there good. As you can see, this strip is kind of bigger than this, so I tried to do as good as possible on it. Got a piece of tape here. Just set there, and I measured because I want to have the right measurements. So I think it was about right here. Measure it again. Yeah. Then peeled both sides off on this 3M tape. And then I applied it into the emblem itself. Shit. Let's try it again. Since I didn't work. This tape is not good at all. I don't know why it's like that, but it is. Now, let me make sure it looks the same on this side. I think I might have went lower on this side. No, it's about the same. Yeah, it looks good. So let me give you a better look here. So here's the passenger side. Now let's go across here to the driver's side. And there is the driver's side. So overall, 26 bucks worth, not too bad. That's gonna be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little installation. I know it only took just a couple minutes and not a lot of hard work. So if you did enjoy, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.